Model townboard. This is an example of a road network found within cities or towns. And in this video, you will learn about the features like this part is called angle parking or ample parking or controlled parking. This part is called flush parking, parallel parking, or uncontrolled parking. These are two-way traffic road. Traffic flows in opposite directions. This one is a one-way road. This one also. Traffic flows in the same direction. And this one is called a major road. This one is called a minor road. This one has 4 lanes and up for major roads and minor roads 3. This one is the roundabout, the traffic island. This one is called the central pavement. This is the exit from the main road. And these ones are arrow directionals. These ones are called road reserves. And these ones are called yellow painted curbs, KE, RBS. These ones are called temporary garage. This part here. This one is called the traffic island. These ones are called lanes, where the vehicle travels. Lanes. And these ones are called lines. They are road demarcations. Then we have a pedestrian crossing. The dotted lines here means give way, give way, give way, give way, give way, give way, stop and give way. So that's it. Road reserves, if there is vegetation along the road, it will be called an avenue. If it has buildings, it will be called a street. So those are some of the features of the model townboard: roundabout, traffic island, central pavement, temporary garage, exit from main road, angle parking, flush parking, pedestrian crossing, arrow directionals, two-way traffic road or single carriageway, one-way traffic road or dual carriageway, yellow painted curbs, entrance, parking lot, exit, entrance, exit, lights, dotted and continuous, you can change the lane when it's dotted. When you are here, you cannot change lanes. Here you have to stay on your side, but you can overtake and then come back to the side.